Hello everyone, in today's video we will see the application of doubly linked list. Let us open our VS Code and we'll create a new file named as doubly linked list .cpp. Okay, and then we will add our boilerplate. In doubly linked list we have a node in which we have two pointers and a data, and in two pointers we have a previous pointer and a next pointer. So the previous pointer points towards the previous node and the next pointer points towards the next node. And for the first node, that is head node, the previous pointer points towards the null and the next pointer points towards the next node. So let us write a code for this. We will create a structure struct node, and we will add int data and two pointers name struct node star previous and struct node star next, and here we will create nodes struct node star head. Let us create three nodes struct node head and then second and then third, and then we will create a space in the memory. We can do so by writing struct node. We can simply write head is equal to struct head is equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. We will do the same for the second and the third. And now for head data is equal to, suppose, let it be 1, and then head previous is equal to null and head next is equal to second. Now we will repeat this for second. Second data is equal to, let it be 2, and previous is equal to head and next is equal to third, and we will change it to second here also. And now we will change our third data to be 3 and the previous of third is second, and head and we will change head to third, and third next would be null. Okay, so here head data is 1, head previous is null, head next is second, and second data is 2, second previous is head, and second next is third, and third data is 3, third previous is second, and third next is null. So let us try to run this to check if we are getting any error or not. No, so it is successfully running. So it's not printing anything, so let us write a function void print. Here it will take the head node, so let us write struct node star head and we will create a struct node pointer. We will equate it to the head, and while we will create a while loop while next is not equal to null. We will print pointer data, and we will increase the pointer at every step. Pointer and we will add space, and now we will create a function. One second. Print head. Let us try to run this. It is printing only 1 and 2. Yes, so it is printing the statement. I'll write a comment here. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys.